Hi, I'm Christina Bell, and this little fur ball is my senior Chihuahua, Lily. And today's show is going to be how I make her food, because I had a friend who was asking, because she has a senior Chihuahua. See, the problem that Lily has is that she has typical Chihuahua teeth. They're very porous and they have a lot of issues, with their teeth, gum disease and all that. So she has a hard time eating food. So after looking forever for something that she would actually eat, I started playing around with homemade food, but I wanted to make sure that it was healthy. So this is what I do, and I want to share it with you because it's really affordable, and I use leftovers. I'm sorry, Lily, I got to put you down. All right, so the first thing that I do is I boil some chopped meat. I boil it in water until it's done, and then I just leave it. Second thing I do is I take some brown rice, and I always make, because she's tiny, I always make 2 servings, which is 1 cup of brown rice, 1 cup of water, and then I add my vegetables. Now she happens to love carrots and peas. So frozen are one of the best things to use because you can make it in the rice while you're cooking it. So I just pour in a nice healthy amount because she loves it and it's good for her. And now we're just gonna nuke it for a few minutes.
I did a thumbs up in the camera.
All right, here you go. Okay, now you can stop.
Oh.
I'm rocking it. I'm rocking the Crocs.
Okay.
See? I'm rocking the Crocs.
Yeah. Okay.
Are they?
No, they're in it. Well,
okay, whatever. Okay, so now another thing that I add to this is fresh herbs, And so I'm just gonna grab some basil, and let's see, if you don't happen to have a grow cabinet, and I don't need much because she's teeny, but if you don't happen to have a grow cabinet, you can use dried, or you can buy some fresh from the supermarket. Another thing that I add to her food, which is really very important, is calcium. And the best way to add calcium is by taking eggshells. You just take the empty eggshells, you rinse them out, you put them in the oven at 300 for, I would say, about 10-15 minutes until you'll know they're done. They get a little crispy looking and you just know. Then I blend it up in a food processor until it's a powder. And then I put it in this. And I always add it to her food because calcium is extremely important, especially for a senior dog. Another way I give her calcium is by adding a little bit of sour cream to her food. She loves sour cream, and it gives her some calcium. But there was one thing that I left out earlier, and the reason why I use brown rice for her is because she has tummy issues, intestinal issues, and
is that true?
Brown rice has fiber in it. Will you stop doing that? Anyway, brown rice has no, I can't. Brown rice has fiber in it, and fiber is something that Lily needs. White rice doesn't have the fiber in it. So, I don't know, it's to your discretion. And by the way, this you can make for your Chihuahua, your Great Dane, any dog you have. This is a totally healthy, homemade dog food recipe. So, I'm just gonna slice this up really quickly. I'm just gonna find a knife. I'm not gonna do the best job slicing here, but I'm gonna give it a shot. Just gonna put it up in little tiny pieces here because she's tiny and I just cut myself.
Oh no.
No, I'm just kidding. And I don't know, you don't want too much. I'm not making a huge amount, so you don't want it to be overpowering, but this is adding some vitamins and nutrients to her diet. Sometimes I use oregano, she loves that. All right, let's see. So now what I'm gonna do I'm gonna take my rice and I'm just gonna put in the basil. Just that tiny bit is all she really needs. And then I've got to get this meat. Now this is the boiled chopped meat. This is her favorite, her personal favorite, because with her teeth, it's much easier for her to eat, you know, break apart the chopped meat than chicken. And by the way, the oil, this little bit of oil that's in this, is actually good for her digestive system. And now I'm stammering. Will you stop filming her? Okay.
She's excited.
She my baby. Come here. Come here, Chihuahua. Come here, my little Chewy. Anyway, we're going to put you right here. So we can film together. No, don't.
It's hot, it's hot, it's hot, it's hot.
It's
right?
not that hot.
Oh, okay. No, okay. We're gonna cut that out.
But she's looking, she's already like, oh wow, that smells good. Oh, look at her, she's so excited. All right, anyway, another way you can make this if you want is with a little bit of olive oil and fry it. I prefer to boil it because I just feel like it's healthier. But believe it or not, no, not yet. It's not done yet, not done. Anyway, what was I saying? Oh. Excuse me, not yet. Let me mix it up.
She's like, why am I up here now?
She's like, oh, that looks so good. Yeah, but I didn't add the calcium. I'll go add the calcium. Now, I'm used to doing this. I do this all the time. And I should add about a teaspoon in here, but I just use my hand. Hey, oh, don't fall off. And then it's just crushed, powdered, emulsified, whatever you want to call it. A little bit more. Eggshells. And that's a perfect source of calcium. And they don't even realize it's in there. All right, so that's basically my video. And I hope that if you have a senior Chihuahua having trouble with their teeth, you could give this recipe a shot. And, or if you just want to make it for any breed. But this one really helped my Chihuahua. She fattened up after that, right? Not too much though. It's pretty healthy. I'm rocking the Crocs. See the belly because they're fine. All right. Now you're far enough back that you're not like highlighting like disgusting.
No, I mean yeah. Sorry. You're good.
Can you see my Crocs?
Yes.
Oh.
I zoomed in. Okay, wait. Stop moving. Right. Okay. I can't see her. Ew. Okay, go.
Tell me.
I'm recording.
Oh.
Action.
All right, hold on. Hi. Jeez. All right. Stop laughing. It's shaking. All right. Okay. Do you want from me?